Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and today what I'm going to do is a bit of an experiment to see how spray paints react in resin. I'm going to do a couple of different things and we'll see what happens. I've got quite a large array of spray paint from my other channel that I use quite a lot. Check that out, I'll link it at the end. I'm going to be using this heart mold because I love this heart mold. This is one of my cheapest molds and I use it so often because it's the ideal depth and size to do any experiment with. So I've popped a bit of clear resin into this mold already in two of them because I want to use some clear resin. I was just popping the bubbles on the top. Now it's time to spray the spray paint into my resin. I've decanted my resin off into different pots and I'm spraying different colours in. Now I'm only putting 2 or 3 sprays in it because I don't want to overpower the resin, and I'm not really sure at this stage what sort of colours it's going to come out at. So as you can see, it actually stirs in really nicely and mixes in really nicely. It doesn't affect the resin in any way, shape or form, doesn't make it go hard or bubble or warm or anything. But I did decide that this wasn't really the colour that I wanted. It wasn't white enough, so I give it another little spray. And then once I'd got them all mixed up, I just popped all the bubbles. And what I will do is I will put them into this mould, which I've labelled up. Some of them are labelled up like this one, clear 0 minutes, and some of them are labelled up 1 hour. And that's because the ones with the 0 minutes, I'm going to twist and twirl them around straight away. And then the ones with 1 hour, I'm going to put the colours in, leave it an hour, and then give them a swirl to see what sort of effect and how it makes the difference once it's cured. I'd just like to say a quick thank you to all my members whose names are coming up now. If you'd like to become a member of this channel and benefit from all the perks, then the link for that is in the description below. So again, this is the one where I've got some clear resin in it already and I'm just adding the colours in. Now I'm doing quite random colours, although I do some different patterns. I do some circles and some just blobs in there, just really to see what it comes out like. I love this chrome spray paint that I've used here and the white. It really does come out well, and the black. So wait for it. See what happens to this resin at the end. That's what I would say. Also, just quick thank you to anybody that bought me a coffee last month. Your names are coming up on my coffee board. It really is appreciated. I couldn't do this without you guys. And the link for that, along with the link for everything else that I'm using today, is in the description below.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a
I'm now popping the bubbles, and what I'll do, I'll leave this for about an hour to cure up, and then I'm going to give them a twist. So we've waited now an hour, and I'm really just going through this, just doing some random shapes. Nothing really intentional, which is unlike me, I know. So just twisted it around, and then what I'll do is I'll leave this overnight to cure up. Well, now these have all cured up, it's time to look at them, and I'm quite excited to see them. I haven't peeked, I haven't even turned the mould over and had a look. This is the one we put the clear resin in, and we didn't wait any time to do the swirls, and I think that one has come out quite pretty, but not what I would say brilliant. So this is the one where we waited an hour and then did the swirls, and I absolutely love how that has come out. And I think if you put a bit more of the coloured resin in there, I think you get some really beautiful world effects in that. Oh, I love that. I think that's come out lovely. So far, the hour one is on top. Let's put that one there. That's the hour column. This is the where we didn't put any clear in them. and we did it after 0 minutes. And I do think that has come out really well. I love that look in there, and it does make quite a nice difference, the different colours. This is, again, oh, that has come out lovely. I do like that. And again, that was 0 minutes. So this is 1 hour. That's nice. Bit too much white there, maybe. And that's after 1 hour. And we got another 0 minute. See, this is what I like about the spray paints. It kind of gives this honeycombed effect. I think that has come out really well. I'm not sure if my camera is picking that up as nicely as it could. Let's see if this one will. And that was after 0 minutes. And this is after 1 hour. So I actually prefer the 0 minutes one on that one. Overall, spray paints work really well in resin. I love that one. That is a 0 minute one. I think that's my favourite one. So depending on the effect that you're looking for, really is dependent on how long you leave it and what you use. Great effect. So let me know in the comments below if you've used spray paint in your resin and what your effects you've achieved and if you've enjoyed it, or if you're going to have a go at using some spray paint in resin. Don't forget, please boot that like button if you've enjoyed this video. It really does help my videos to get out there, and hit that subscribe and ring my notification bell. And the links to everything, including the link to buy me a coffee, can be found in the description below. Take care, enjoy your resin. Bye.